Hello, hey everybody. It's me and Monroe is back to do another hair video. And here she is.
Yes, so today we're gonna do when I make up. It's a good thing her hair is already curled from other video. And so first I'm gonna do, well, this costs nothing because I didn't even name it yet. I made it up. So it's a piggy tail one with a braid. So let's get that thing.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to spread it.
Spread it.
Yeah, we have to spread it.
Okay,
Number
girls.
for piggy tails.
Spread it. Spread it for the piggy tails.
Are you tired?
I'm always tired. Are you tired?
No.
Oh, great. Great for me.
I had too much sugar today.
Great. Too much sugar.
Actually, no, I didn't.
Oh, you haven't had enough yet?
No,
Yeah,
I just had
you're
a little bit of snack.
No, you had a lot.
Yeah, kind of a lot.
Kind of.
At school, I had some snacks.
Oh, wow.
And then I got just a little bit of my icing. And guess what? You didn't even put any goldfish in my lunch.
No, I put lemon chips.
Oh.
Yeah. Hello.
I said.
You can't have both. You're crazy. Can we do the hair now?
Okay, yes.
All right. Back to the hair. Where are you going to do the braid at?
I didn't say braid.
You said braid piggy tail. You're not doing that one?
Okay.
She left. All right, she's back, everybody.
No, I tried to get the thing.
Okay, what are we doing?
The piggy tail.
Okay, just a piggy tail.
Okay, I'm just going to leave that part for the braid.
Oh, so now we're going to do a braid piggy tail.
Yes, because you told everybody.
I'm always in trouble.
Guess it's good. Yeah. Doing good.
Yeah, you're doing good. Wow,
Pom-poms.
yeah. Pom-pom, you know, like a big girl. Here's for the other side.
Yeah. Thanks for grabbing that.
Yeah, no problem. I'm a great assistant.
Yes, you are.
Thanks. What, you gotta spread it some more?
Yeah, there's a little spot.
There you go.
It's a very healthy style. Oh, wait. Oh,
It's a healthy style?
yeah, because I made it up.
Oh, okay.
I call it healthy styles, but you made it up.
Oh, when you make shit up, it's called healthy?
You said a bad word. What?
I'm super healthy all the time.
You said a.
How are you gonna wear your hair for picture day?
What are the pretty kinds?
Huh?
What are the pretty kinds?
The pretty kinds of what?
Hair size you do.
I don't know.
Your secret ones?
Yeah, secret hairstyles.
Oh my gosh, I made out of a band for the braid.
No, you'll just bobby pin it once you braid it.
Oh, let me get bobby pin.
You just need to braid it first.
No, wait. Because, like, there's a part hanging.
No, it's just puffy.
No. So it has to be perfect. There you go. It's a puffy. So. Stop making that face! You're like.
This is my smiley face. Jeez.
You're like. It's so bad.
No. It was like a, ooh, don't I look cute face? That's the face I was making.
Oh. I didn't know. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I'm just gonna take 1 piece, B piece.
How many pieces are in a braid?
3.
Okay.
Let's do that. Cause I kind of get mixed up. Cause sometimes I do 1 piece, 2 piece, and then I do 1 piece, 3 piece.
Right. Are you getting mixed up right now that you're talking?
No.
Okay.
It's doing good.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Good job.
Ooh.
Ooh. Want me to show you a cool way to put in the bobby pin without seeing it?
No.
Fine.
Okay, sure.
Nobody wants to listen ever. So if you open it, right? And then you push it in this way, like this. Look at that.
Oh yeah, sure. Let's go with that. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go with that.
Okay. So this is the style. Let me just double check. Just in case there's any parts in your bobby pin. You have a lot of static. You can't really see because everyone knows when you put videos and you have static, the hair is white. You can't even see it.
No, well don't pull it out because that would suck.
There we go.
Well, I love your double pigtail braid hairstyle, Monroe. It looks fabulous.
I think I could call it the unicorn perfect. Because it stands for perfect unicorn. Yeah, because you look like a unicorn.
I look like a unicorn?
Here. Look like a unicorn. Okay, so this is the hairstyle. It's very cute. And if you want to put any bows or things, just not on the front, because it will kind of ruin the hairstyle. Or if you don't want to do the braid or kind of, yeah, you could do it. Oh, you could do the same, and then you could put one on here or here. But in the next video, you will be surprised.
You'll be surprised for her next video. Thank you for watching.
Yep. Oh, and click that like button and press that red button. And like this video. Give 100 thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Share the video. Let us know what you think. Write in the comments below.
Yep. And if you dream to be a hairstylist on a video, and just tell your parents, because if you don't have a phone or a camera or a computer, because lots of computers don't have, maybe I don't know. I never used a computer before.
But she has now. Thank goodness for her little hair video.
Yeah, but...
Thank you for watching. That's another day of hair with Monroe doing her mama's hair. Thank you.